Welcome to ITMaster, where you learn modern web development with clear and practical tutorials. Are your website icons boring and lifeless? In this video, I will show you how to create animated SVG icons with smooth draw and fill effects using CSS and JavaScript. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to animate SVG icons so they draw themselves on screen and then smoothly fill with color. These effects are commonly used in modern and professional websites. SVG icons are vector graphics, which means they stay sharp on all screen sizes. Most SVG icons are built using path elements, and these paths can be animated using CSS. To create the draw effect, we use stroke-dasharray and stroke-dashoffset. These properties hide the path and then reveal it gradually. Once the stroke animation finishes, we animate the fill color. This creates a smooth draw and fill animation that looks professional. We can trigger these animations on hover or click to make icons interactive and engaging. Animated SVG icons are perfect for navigation menus, buttons, feature sections, and logo animations. Using only CSS and a small amount of JavaScript, you can create powerful SVG animations without heavy libraries. If this tutorial helped you, like the video and subscribe to ITMaster for more HTML, CSS, and SVG animation tutorials. Step 1. First, we start with a basic HTML document. Inside the body, we create a div with a class called icon. This div will act as our hover container. Inside that div, we place an SVG element. The SVG uses a viewbox of 00, 120, 120. Inside the SVG, we draw a simple checkmark shape using a path. So right now, our HTML is very simple. A container. One SVG. One path. No animation yet, just structure. Step 2. Now let's move to the CSS. First, we style the body. We remove the margin and set the height to 100 VH. Then we use Flexbox to perfectly center the icon both horizontally and vertically. We also add a soft gray background so the icon stands out. Step 3. Next, we style the .icon container. We give it a fixed width, padding, a white background, rounded corners. We also add cursor, pointer so users know it's interactive. Most importantly, we add a transition for transform, background color. This will make the hover effect smooth. Step 4. Now comes the hover effect. When the user hovers over the icon, the background changes to light blue. The icon slightly scales up. This gives instant visual feedback and makes the animation feel premium. Step 5. Inside the icon, we style the SVG itself. We set a fixed width and height so the checkmark stays consistent and centered. Nothing fancy here, just clean sizing. Step 6. This is the most important part. We style the SVG path. First, we remove the fill. Set a blue stroke color. Increase the stroke width. Then we use two powerful properties: stroke-dasharray, stroke-dashoffset. Both are set to the same value. This hides the line completely, making it look invisible at first. We also add transitions. One for drawing the line. One for filling the shape. Step 7. Now the magic happens. On hover, we set stroke-dashoffset to 0. The line starts drawing from start to end. After that, the shape fills with color. This creates a smooth draw then fill animation. And all of this happens using pure CSS. So when we hover, the card scales up. The SVG draws itself. Then it fills with color. Clean, modern, and professional. This technique is perfect for UI icons, buttons, success indicators, modern web animations. Now you know how to create a smooth SVG hover animation using pure HTML and CSS without any JavaScript. This technique is simple, powerful, and perfect for modern web UI designs. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel ITMaster for more coding tutorials, web design tips, and real-world projects. Also, let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next video on ITMaster.